Oh yes, my favourite YouTuber has just released a new video. I cannot wait for this. What? This video is vertical! In this video, I'm going to go over all of the most common concerns about shorts and how they might ruin your channel. So let's start with looking at if making shorts will make your subscribers leave. Yes, shorts will of course make your subscribers leave, in the same way that making videos will make your subscribers leave. Make a really, really bad one or an offensive one, the one that people strongly disagree with, that will happen. But your real fans who appreciate you won't just suddenly ditch you because you tried a new format. They'll support you. The people who leave because you made a vertical video also are not leaving because you made a short. They're probably leaving because they were going to leave anyway. But why is there all these reports saying people have been losing subscribers from shorts then? Well, people unsubscribe from YouTube channels all of the time. And right now, with a new format in play, people are more concerned that it might annoy their subscribers. So many people are just checking their stats more. And just like a virus, when you do more tests on more people, you find more virus. Now, you don't want a massive subscriber base of lukewarm Larrys. You want people who stick with you for the good releases and the not so good. Another common concern is subscribers might leave because they don't want to watch vertical videos. Let's think about that using some data. My favourite thing in the world to prove a point. Shorts are content that is optimised to be watched on a phone, right? And 80% of views on YouTube come from mobile devices. So if you're worried about the awkward shape of short when viewed on a desktop putting people off, chill, Winston. You might not be getting any desktop views anyway, and shorts look great on a mobile device. But like most things in YouTube land, you should check your own stats, because average stats are not really that helpful to anyone, and neither are sweeping statements from people like me. You tell them, me. So go to YouTube Studio, then your analytics, then click this sneaky see more button. Then click on device type and set your date range. Now every channel is going to see different things here, but you can see the percentage of views you get from different devices. Now if you're really worried desktop users will hate it, and you have a very high percentage of them, then maybe, just maybe, this would be a reason not to use them. Anyone else who has tons of mobile viewers, then I wouldn't worry. You're actually serving them content that looks better on the device they're using. The opposite could happen. You might find the best thing that ever happened to your channel. Now let's look at the reason shorts might damage your channel, and then I'll go into the whole shorter watch time issue that you may be worried about. So the main reason shorts will damage your channel is if you suddenly leave your niche. Now, this one gets a little bit more complex with shorts, more complex than you might expect, because it's very possible to accidentally leave your niche. So you don't want to build a subscriber base that's just full of people. You want the right people, especially for the sake of making money from your channel down the line. The right people watch your new releases and interact and care about your content. Here is a short that got over 20,000 views we made for another channel. This channel's target audience is women aged 25 to 50. This short got 96% of its views from men. Over 100 people subscribed too. Now this video has nothing sexual about it, but the comments were not the cleanest, to say the least. Many got deleted. YouTube pushed this video out to a much wider audience, and it brought in views from people who were wrong and are just not going to interact with other content on that channel. So we have 100 new subscribers. I'd be surprised if any of them ever watched another video, or if they did, they won't be watching it for long because they're not going to care about the content, because we know the channel's audience is not 18-year-old men, which means it could have an impact. Now, luckily this channel's growing at about 1,300 subscribers a month, so it's only a small percentage. But if you were a smaller channel and doubled your subscribers with totally the wrong audience from a short, that might be an issue for the performance of future content. But let's face it, this could be the same for regular videos when you release them too, I guess. The second reason shorts could damage your channel is because you don't hit the like button on this video. Did I get away with that? The third reason is you make a short that does leave your niche. If I make sewing videos, then release a short of a gorilla throwing poo at school children in the zoo, because I think it's funny, yeah, you can see why some people, hilarious as that is, might not find it funny, especially if it was one of their kids that got hit. So quality and relevant content is still a must. Don't go chasing those big general views. Not always greener on the other side. Now the next concern people have at the moment is that if you make shorts, your new viewers and subscribers will only want to watch more shorts in the future because they subscribed to shorts content. There is no proof on a large enough scale out there to make this a genuine concern right now. I believe that this opinion has come from this. People are reacting to shorts channels that make Shorts then make a video, and the video gets hardly any views compared to the shorts it's produced. Now that is because regular videos don't end up on the short shelf and get views as fast. They have a different scale. 1 million shorts views aren't the same as 1 million regular views. If you make a mixture of high quality shorts and regular content, is anyone really gonna say,
wow, that video was amazing. Shame it was over 60 seconds.
In a rectangle, I'm unsubscribing and never coming back.
a dedicated shorts channel isn't a bad idea to overcome this potential issue, but it's one I think we've worried about a little bit too much without knowing enough about how the shorts experience will develop over time. And then the next concern is, will views from shorts damage your channel data because they have low watch time? Well, no. YouTube's smart. It measures videos in different ways from different traffic sources. A video that does rubbish in its first week on the YouTube homepage can still go on to thrive in search even with a low average click-through rate and low average watch time, because YouTube measures videos based on where the views come from. So don't worry about hurting your channel's watch time. Also, shorts will only get traction with quality stats. So if one does go viral, most small channels will probably get more watch time from one short than they've ever had before. But as always, don't listen to some random internet dude. Do some tests for yourself and join me next time where I'll be talking about making money from YouTube Shorts. Ooh, juicy. Subscribe.